Hello, amazing fans. Welcome to today's physics class. Today's physics class, we'll be solving this question on past SSCE. We have wave motion, okay? So a note of frequency 200 hertz has a velocity of 400 meters per second. What is the wavelength of the note? SSCE June 1994. So this question is very easy. So there is a relationship between wavelength and the velocity. Remember the properties of a wave. A wave has velocity, it has frequency, it also has the wavelength, which is the distance between the two successive crests or the trough. Now, we look at the velocity. There is a relationship between, first of all, we have the velocity of this wave as equal to lambda, which is the wavelength, all over what? The period. And remember, period has a relationship. Period here has a relationship with what frequency, which is 1 all over what frequency. So if we decide to put this here, at the end of the day, we are going to have the velocity equal to 1, that is the lambda all over 1 over what frequency. So this will now give us, as a reciprocal, it becomes V equal to what? Frequency multiplying the what? The wavelength. Now we are asked to calculate the wavelength. So from here, the relationship between velocity and the wavelength is this. So here we can make wavelength the subject of formula. The wavelength, which is the lambda, becomes velocity all over what? The frequency. And now we are given that what the frequency F equal to 200 what? Hertz. Then the V there is equal to 400 meters per second. So what we just need to do now is to just plug in that value. Then your lambda becomes 400, which is the velocity, all over the frequency, 200. So this is very easy. Just cancel out. That gives us 2. So your lambda is equal to, make sure you look at the unit. If you notice now, we are working with meters here, meter per second. If this place, the question has to do with centimeter, we must convert to what? Meter first. So this becomes 2 meters. That is the answer. This is very easy. So if you have any question, write it in the comment section, and also like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.